What if I told you that your imperfections are not your weaknesses, but your strengths? Let's take a moment to unravel this thought as we delve into the heart of Brené Brown's compelling work, The Gifts of Imperfection. This is not your typical self-help book. It's a profound exploration of the beauty that lies in our flaws, the unique traits that set us apart. It's about acknowledging our imperfections, not as signs of inadequacy, but as badges of our individuality. Brown invites us on a journey to live a wholehearted life, a life that isn't dominated by the pursuit of perfection, but by the acceptance of our authentic selves. She nudges us to step out of the shadows of self-doubt, to embrace our quirks and to celebrate our uniqueness. This book is not about achieving perfection, but about embracing our imperfections. And in doing so, we find our true strength and beauty. Brené Brown provides us with 10 guideposts to lead a more authentic and wholehearted life. Let's delve into each one and discover how they can help us embrace our imperfections and lead a more fulfilling life. First up is cultivating authenticity. By shedding the expectations of others and embracing our true selves, we can experience the freedom that authenticity brings. It's about being real, not perfect. The second guidepost is nurturing self-compassion. Often, we are our own harshest critics. By being kinder to ourselves, we can learn to accept our flaws and imperfections as part of our unique story. Next, we have the cultivation of a resilient spirit. Life is full of ups and downs, but resilience allows us to bounce back from adversity stronger than before. Fourth on the list is embracing gratitude and joy. By appreciating the small things in life, we can experience genuine joy that isn't dependent on circumstances. The fifth guidepost is about trusting our intuition and having faith. Sometimes we need to trust our gut and let go of the need for certainty. Next is fostering creativity. By expressing ourselves creatively, we can discover new aspects of our personalities and learn to appreciate our unique talents. The seventh guidepost is about valuing play and rest. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to forget the importance of taking time out to recharge and have fun. Calm and stillness is the eighth guidepost. By taking time to be still, we can learn to quieten our minds and find peace in the present moment. The ninth guidepost is finding meaningful work. When we do work that aligns with our values and passions, we find fulfillment and purpose. Finally, the 10th guidepost is embracing laughter, song, and dance. These simple acts can bring joy and connection, reminding us of our shared humanity. Each guidepost is a step towards embracing our imperfections and living a wholehearted life. One of the vital lessons from this book is the power of vulnerability. Brené Brown strips away the stigma that vulnerability is synonymous with weakness. Quite the contrary, she champions vulnerability as a testament to bravery. It's about embracing our imperfections, about having the courage to say, yes, I am flawed, but that does not define me. It's about allowing ourselves to be seen, truly seen, in all our imperfect glory. It's about being honest, not just with others, but with ourselves. It's about being real in a world that often encourages us to hide behind a facade of perfection. When we open ourselves up in this way, we create deeper connections with others. We invite them to see us as we are, and in doing so, we give them permission to be themselves too. We make space for authenticity, for empathy, for understanding. Life, after all, is not about being perfect. It's about being present. It's about showing up as we are, imperfections and all, and in doing so, we find that our vulnerability is not a weakness, but a strength. Embracing vulnerability is about being brave enough to expose our imperfections. So, what does it mean to live wholeheartedly? It's about embracing our imperfections, not shying away from them, but rather acknowledging them as part of our unique identity. It's about navigating life's journey with the 10 guideposts as our compass. Guideposts that lead us to authenticity, self-compassion, resilience, gratitude, and intuition, among others. It's about harnessing the power of vulnerability, laying bare our fears, our struggles, our hopes, and our dreams. It's about understanding that vulnerability is not a sign of weakness, but a testament to our courage, our strength, and our humanity. All these concepts, embracing imperfections, following the 10 guideposts, tapping into our vulnerability, they're not separate, isolated ideas. They're intertwined, interconnected, each one feeding into and enriching the other. Together, they form the roadmap to living a wholehearted life. Remember, Perfection is not the goal. Embrace your imperfections, for they are the gifts that make you uniquely you.